comes time, it's game time. Can't hesitate, just got to be out there and go for it.
The long bras.
Was about as extreme as it gets to be in the water.
To see the horizon go black out there, and I think we're realizing there are lots of beautiful big waves in many different places and around our globe, and hopefully everyone can just enjoy, respect the sea and respect each other.
Just to see a big teepee like that coming at you and deciding to commit is really one of the greatest thrills in surfing that I've found.
They surf where the risks are great, but the rewards are greater. Two brothers, following their passion to the far reaches of the world.
You put both of them in the water, and it's like a couple wild animals unleashed, you know? Those guys are fearless.
Chasing waves of magnificent beauty and immense power.
The waves are so giant, and I don't think any of us had tried to paddle into waves that giant before, so it was stepping into the unknown.
On the second stroke, and the thing just broke my leash, and then just threw me through the air.
They travel the world and experience different cultures. This is the story of two brothers risking their lives for a passion.
Powerful, tall, very, very dangerous.
The Long Brothers, an amazing life adventure.
Scary big. It's just, Ocean was angry.
Big Long Rock now is probably the best big wave surfer in the world. You know, he's only 23 years old, he's super strong, super fit.
Keep it greener, as green as possible.